Another awesome four-wheel drive has just joined our stock, and this time it's the Audi Q7, what you call the 3-litre TDI, but this is the 50 TDI. Black edition in a stunning colour called the Samurai Grey. Now the black edition means the car is pretty much fully dechromed. The Samurai Grey is a beautiful metallic grey, but this particular car is a 2019 registration, but only one owner from new. That means somebody bought this car brand new, kept it for the last 3.5 years, looked after it, full Audi service history. It's just been very well looked after. But then the spec, because it's a black edition, is fully loaded, but then it's got other extras as well, and I'll show you as I go around. But from the front, you have the LED style daytime running lights, full LED headlights, the black edition bumpers, which is the upgraded version, and then you have the black inserts on the corner sections. Obviously, it's a Quattro, so it's four-wheel drive. You've got air suspensions for different settings, but then you have things like the 21-inch upgraded alloy wheels with a satin finish and also diamond cut. You've then got things like the fixed side steps, black window surrounds, black mirror cap covers, and this one has the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. But check this out for the interior. You've got the full electric seats with the Valcona leather interior with the sports seats, the Alcantara on the door cards. You've then got things like navigation, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth. Let me quickly show you, because when you turn the engine on or the ignition on, the screen pops up from here. So from there, you start it, screen pops up, and then all the ambient lighting starts to work. So you've got lighting down the centre dash, around this area here where the coin holders are, right across there, and also on the door cards. That's a really good look, followed by more piano black there, the different drive select button, touchpad area here. There's a navigation. I put it in reverse and the reversing camera system comes on. Cup holders, more cubby hole space down there with a 12-volt socket. You've also got the full virtual Audi cockpit there with the navigation, and you have the split armrest with the wireless charging pad. There's a sports seat with the S embossed behind me. Like I said, you've got memory seats for the driver's side, full electric adjustments. But remember, the Q7 is a 7-seater. In this case, great running cost, 286 brake horsepower. All the friends and family get the same treatment with the lighting, the piano black, the Alcantara, lots of space, nets behind both seats, more 12-volt sockets there, and the leather's nice and soft. Isofix attachments. It's just perfect in every way. If you're looking for a 7-seater and you want a good car, then this does a brilliant job. There's a third row seating in there. Looks like the good as brand new and never been used. 3-point seatbelts for all the passengers in the third row seating. But for me, this is the bit I like the most, because I mentioned on another video I did yesterday where it was a very big 7-seater and it had just about this much space, but the car was a lot bigger. It was a BMW X7 and they are bigger. But this one with all 7 seats up, you still get enough space for pushchairs, for shopping, even a bit of golf gear. That is pretty neat. And then underneath you have obviously a bit more space and the sub and everything else. All the adjustments for the seats are there if you need to press it. But then you have again the S-Line Black Edition rear bumper, the twin exhaust fascias, the LED indicators with the dynamic sweeping indicators going on around the back. Sun protection glass, which is this here. But 41,000 miles, one owner from new, 50 TDI, with all this spec on, like that virtual Audi cockpit, the reversing camera, the tilt and sliding roof, cruise control, heated seats, dual zone climate control. It's just got everything, but it's the way it's being kept, the steering wheel, the seats, everything is in such a good condition. In the used car market, no two cars are the same, because no two cars are driven by the same people and they're not looked after the same way. So to come across one that is one owner from new, full service history, in a fabulous colour and a fabulous specification is quite a rare find. My name's Joe, my name and number is on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.